Here's a tutorial on how to use CarVertical. First is click on the flag button that you can see at the upper left and click on the country that you are in and then put on the VIN number of your car and then click on confirm couch or confirm VIN number, or you can just go ahead and scan the VIN number from the papers of your car. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page wherein you have to avail a premium account or you have to pay for the service that it will give you for the history of your car. Now, afterwards, after checking out the premium account that you are going to avail, you will be needing to put on your email and confirm your payment. After confirming your payment, you will see that your purchase has been completed. Click on the view report for the card that you have. Afterwards, you will see there that the report has been already and ready to view. Click on view your report and enjoy CarVertical.